Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good
Ajeng.
evening, Jam.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ajeng Pratiwi. I'm from Level Up class of the online class at LKP University, batch 24. I would like to present my speech about entrepreneur. Before I continue, here are the outline of my speech. I would like to tell you about 1. Definition, 2. Issue, 3. Relate with yourself, 4. Q&A, and 5. Conclusion and suggestion. Next. Guys, when you grow up, do you want to become entrepreneurs?
Yes, I do.
Okay, thank you for the response.
Okay.
Next. Alright, let's begin. Entrepreneur is an individual who organizes and operates a business or businesses taking on financial risks in the effort to make a profit. They are typically innovators who identify market gaps and bring new ideas, product or service to life. Next. The main issue for content creator entrepreneurs in Indonesia today revolves around the obligation to have a business identification number or NIB. This policy is not intended to limit creativity but rather to provide legal certainty and recognition for creators who are running their activities professionally. However, the NIB requirement does not apply to all content creators. Nevertheless, does have several impacts, including 1. Reporting and tax obligations. Owning an NIB requires creators to be more disciplined in business reporting. 2. Potential sanctions. If creators use social media poorly as a business platform and neglect to obtain an NIB, they risk facial administrative sanctions ranging from warning to account suspensions or revocation of their business licenses. Next. I have 3 points why entrepreneurship is highly relevant during teenager years. 1. A time for self-exploring and creativity. Teenagers have fresh ideas and the drive to try new things. Entrepreneurship provides a platform to channel creativity and discover personal potential early on. 2. High flexibility in learning and adapting. At this age, the ability to learn is still very strong. This makes it easier to master business skills, digital technology, and adapt to market change. 3. Building financial independence early. Entrepreneurship trains teenagers to be economically independent, responsible, and to develop a long-term mindset in managing business and finances. Next. Now, Q&A session is happening.
Okay. Hi, excuse me, Ajam.
Hi.
My name is Cantika Mustari. I would like to ask a question with the topic about entrepreneur. My question is, if entrepreneurship is highly encouraged during teenager, how can we ensure that focusing on business does not interfere with education and the social development of young people? That is my question. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you for the question. I would like to try answer your question. Entrepreneurship in teenagers is indeed relevant, but it must be done in a balanced way. The solution is to make entrepreneurship part of the learning process, not a replacement for it. Examples including entrepreneurship program at school, entrepreneurship on small scale and flexible business. This is why young people can develop an entrepreneurial mindset, independence, and creativity without sacrificing formal education for and social interaction, which are important for their character development. How about the answer? Is it clear?
Yes, is it?
Okay, thank you.
Anytime.
Next. I have three suggestions to encourage young people to start a business. One, identify opportunities. Training sensitivity to problems in the surrounding environment to generate business ideas. Two, starting from passion. Developing a business based on interest and skills to maintain long-term motivation. Three, building an entrepreneurial mindset. In, instilling the understand that failure is part of the learning and self-development process. Next.
Oh,
In conclusion, an entrepreneur is an individual who has the encourage creativity and ability to identify opportunities, test risks, and create value through business. Interest in entrepreneurship is highly relevant for young people because one teenagers years are the best time for self-exploring, learning, and adaptation to find the right strategies, such as leveraging digital technology, building networks, and developing an entrepreneurial mindset. Young people can start a business early. 3. Entrepreneurship not only builds financial independence, but also shapes character, responsibility, and a long-term mindset. In the digital area, becoming an entrepreneur is no longer out of reach. With small steps, a willingness to learn, and by seizing opportunities, young people can become the economic drivers of the future. Next. It's all for me. I apologize for any mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, Ajak, thank you for your performance and Chantika for the question.